What's up guys, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing some visual mods to the S4. So with that being said, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and we'll get right into it. So today we're going to be installing the RS style front grille. It does have the Black Optics front grille on it, but I don't really like how it looks. I think it's just kind of bland. So we're going to be putting the RS style grille on there. This car does have a carbon fiber ducktail spoiler on it, but I like the V style, like the one I have on the S5. So we're going to be throwing that on there as well. And then also big shout out to Last Fit. They went ahead and sent us some more of the switchback LED fog lights, so we're going to be throwing those on there. And then we also got some of their LED reverse lights. I'm going to be getting a slight lighting upgrade and then also a little facelift. That being said, got to run to Walmart real quick. I need some plasti dip so I can black out the crash bar, and then we should be good to get going. All right guys, so here's the grill. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. Oh, guess I could have just opened one side. Also, this is a new camera. I'm filming on a GoPro Hero 12, so let me know what you guys think. I normally film on my phone. So far I like this better because I can have my hands free, a lot easier to work, and I don't have to worry about going over, starting the camera, stopping the camera. I can just, do it real quick. Boom. Cool, and there's the new grill. Just a regular old black on black RS style grill. So, I already have this on the S5. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get this thing thrown on. Cool, so I got some styrofoam to work on. It looks like, normally we'd have to take off a couple of screws, but it looks like somebody's been down here before. This one's already gone. This one's already gone. So there's only one more right here. Don't know if you can really see it, but I believe it's a T25 or T30. We'll kind of find out. Yep, looks like it's a T25, so go ahead and get that one out of there. Awesome. And then I have pretty massive wheels on here, so my space is very limited, but I don't want to take the wheel off, so we're just gonna pry this back as far as I can. Oh, actually this screw is in there. What am I talking about? Like I said, just gonna pry this back as far as I can. There's gonna be another screw right here, right on the edge. I believe you just need to loosen that one. I don't think it needs to come all the way off. All right, guys, now that I got the proper tools, I believe this is 10 millimeter. Let's turn that the other way. Like I said, this one's just right here. Is it that loose? It is that loose. And there's another one like right here towards the front of the bumper. Don't believe I'm actually gonna be able to show that, but it is there. And then the other 10 mil that we need to take off is, it's kind of in this, there's like a little cubby back here, if that makes sense. And it's kind of hidden behind there, so it's just a little bit to the right of the first one we took off. Boom. And there's the other one. So now we're gonna hop up top and remove some clips. I actually replaced mine, and I think I made them screw off. If not, we'll use a flathead. Oof, engine bay is dirty. I need to go in here and clean it up. But I believe from factory, these are actually, you have to push the little pin through, or you can pop it up. But I replaced mine because I kept losing the thing, so I just gotta pry mine up and call it a day. Oh. And I will say, be careful with the screwdriver. You don't want to scratch up all your plastic and stuff. Oh yeah, you guys saw the video where I lost all these push pins, so yeah, you guys, you know exactly why I have these. Which I would highly recommend, if you still have the stock ones, to just replace them with these, because these are a lot easier to get out. And this is just clipped into the front bumper. Boom. Got a couple more T25s here. Then underneath the car, there's gonna be a few more T25s. I believe 4 to be exact. Before I forget, let's just go ahead and unplug this fog light so we don't snag it. It's just a little clamp. Squeeze it, and then it should come free. Boom. Bumper should be ready to come off. We got the 3 screws out of this side, the 4 screws underneath, well, 2 in my case, 3 screws on that side. Yeah, that should be about it. So let's go ahead and try to pull this off. And I guess if we get stuck, then we'll know. Oh, there went that bracket. Oh, there's kind of like a lip on this side that locks in, so gotta get it around there. All right. All right, so now we got a T25 and we're gonna take out all 8,000 of these screws holding in the grill. Actually, let's go ahead and take off this styrofoam crash support piece. Now we can start with the 8 million screws. There's all the screws. I honestly stopped counting, so I don't really know how many that was. I finally got it loose. We'll go ahead and get the other one thrown on here and try to get this buttoned up because that took way longer than it should have. So here's our before and after. Here's the new one, RS style grill. There's the old one, black optics. I've always thought the RS looks a lot better. Some people prefer the black optics, but we're basically just gonna try to do everything in reverse order here. Oh, I should go ahead and paint the crash bar. Yeah, we'll go ahead and throw the grill in here and then I'll throw some paint on the crash bar. Like I said, this video is sponsored by LasFit. Big shout out to them for sending out these switchback LEDs and the reverse lights. We'll throw those on after we get this button back up and stuff. Just want to do one thing at a time. I love these lights. Like I said, I have them on the S5. You guys have all seen them, but they just look super good. Pure white LEDs if you want those, and you can switch them to the yellow ones. And it gives you more of like an aggressive race car kind of look. So yeah, like I said, I love them. And big shout out, I appreciate LasFit sending these out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get them thrown in the car. These things are super nice. They've got fans and they got this little adapter here. It would be wise to screw this down so it doesn't slide around or anything, but didn't have any issues on the S5, so we're just gonna keep it the same way. And just twist that bad boy in there, give it a little shake and it's good. Get into the adapter. Gotta line the prongs up. It's not just a one-way kind of thing. Boom, got that plugged in. And then you wanna screw this down. That way it doesn't come undone on you. I could have thrown these on while the, without taking the whole bumper off, but I figured since I'm doing the grill, I might as well go ahead and just throw these on while I'm down there. 2 birds, 1 stone. And I think these will look super good when I switch them over to the yellow against the blue paint. I think that'll look super dope. If you wanna get yourself some lights, go ahead and use the code Tariq10. I'll put it on the screen. You can get yourself 10% off of anything on their website. They got floor mats, lights. If you have trucks, they got like pod lights and all kinds of light bars and things like that. So yeah, definitely check them out and use my code so they know that I sent you. But we'll go ahead and toss these old garbage ones out of the way. We'll go ahead and get this bumper put back on. I was able to find the actual emblem. This one's a little bit different than the other one. I basically just got this one for the S5, but this has the backing behind it. Go ahead and throw this on here. I think that's pretty much as clipped in as it's gonna get. So it comes with the RS4 badge, which I'm not gonna put that on there just because it's not RS, so we're not gonna up badge anything. But I'm gonna do what I did with the S5 and basically just I'm gonna order a separate set of badges and then just put the S5 on the emblem there. So as you can see, went ahead and got it painted. While I let that dry, we'll go ahead and throw the reverse lights in there. So here's what the original reverse lights look like. Just the ugly old halogen. So it's actually really easy to swap the reverse lights on the S4 or really any Audi. Actually, I shouldn't say any Audi. Any S4 or S5. There's a little screw in here. I'll show you when I get it out. I wouldn't be able to show you with it in the car. This is the screw you need to unscrew. It's a massive little cube thing. Don't know how else to describe it. Then you just kind of pull the tail light out. All right, cool. And there's the reverse bulb. Here's the old crusty dusty halogen. Here's the new LasFit LED. All right, let that rest there, and then we will go put it in reverse, test it out. Boom, and as you can see, that thing is working, so let's go ahead and turn this off. I'll screw it in there. Cool, got to snap back in there. So then we just reverse our steps. Slide this back in there. Pure white LED reverse lights. Makes it look like more modern, more up to date, almost like a 2016 like it should. So, all right, so bumper's back on. Still still need to go through and button everything back up. But this is pretty much what she's looking like. Getting low on battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and just button everything back up off camera, and then I'll show you what she's looking like with the new switchback LEDs, the grill, and all that fun stuff here momentarily. Car's completely buttoned back up now. I think you got some more footage when there's actually some daylight outside, but then thanks to LasFit for the fog lights. As you can see, there's the pure white. We turn them off, turn them back on, and we got the yellow, which I personally think the yellow looks sick against the blue on this car. Very happy with the results. Like I said, I'll show you this during the day. So here's what the grill's looking like, all said and done. I still need to order the S4 badges, that way I can throw it on there and then it'll be completely done. That crappy little coat of paint that I threw on there seems to be looking pretty good. You can't see any chrome shining through. And then off camera I went ahead and threw on the reflector tint, so that looks pretty good actually. Kind of ties the whole front end together. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw on the new V-style spoiler. All right guys, so like I said, we're gonna be swapping out the carbon fiber wings. So right now I have the high kick ducktail spoiler on here, which I don't know, a lot of people run it and it does look good, but it's not my favorite. I like the V-style better. So I went ahead and secured this thing. That way I'm not sitting there scrubbing for 30 minutes with goo gone. But these things are kind of expensive. This thing was 42 bucks. Well, I guess 45 after tax, but this should make it a lot easier. I've got this side like almost to the halfway point, so I'm gonna start on this side. And hopefully that doesn't make it snap in the middle. Hopefully it'll just make it a little bit easier to get the middle part up, because I'm starting to get a lot of resistance there, so. That is some really, really strong tape. This might be for sale. I don't know, I might see if I can clean it up a little bit and maybe keep it as a spare, but. I just had it sitting on there to see what it was gonna look like, and it looks absolutely nasty. I'm not gonna lie, it does look a little weird without a diffuser, so that might have to be on order very soon, because it sticks out pretty far. Very aggressive. It's gonna look sick regardless. Taking it all the way off. This might not be the best way to do it, but the way I'm about to do it. All right guys, so that's just about gonna do it for today's video. I'm gonna give you one last look at everything. We got the RS style honeycomb grill thrown on there. Black on black, looks really good. Still need to throw the S4 badge on there, and that should button everything together. Got the LasFit switchback LEDs. And like I said before, all you gotta do is turn them off, turn them back on, and boom, you got another color. You can switch between the pure bright white and the yellow. I think the yellow looks amazing against the blue. I think it looks really good, so I'll probably leave them on yellow personally. But again, if you want to grab yourself any kind of lights, definitely be sure to check the link down in the description below. Go ahead and run to the back. And here's the side profile. It is really, really aggressive. It hangs out quite a bit, as you can see. So definitely gonna need a diffuser in the very near future, because it does look a little odd sticking out that far. Not gonna lie, but I love the way it looks. Brand new carbon fiber, so the weave is all intact, clear coat's all intact. Yeah, like right there, man. That's the angle right there. It looks really good. Be sure to comment below what you think, and also let me know what you think of the camera. Do you like the phone setup better, or do you like this GoPro? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.